To buy Steam games with an Apple gift card, you will need to use a workaround since Steam does not directly accept Apple gift cards. The first step is to purchase a Steam gift card using your Apple gift card. You can do this by visiting a website that sells digital gift cards, such as Amazon or Walmart, and buying a Steam gift card with your Apple gift card balance. Once you have purchased the Steam gift card, you will receive a code that you can redeem on Steam. To redeem the code, open the Steam client and click on your profile name in the top right corner. Then select Account Details. Scroll down to the Steam Wallet section and click on Add Funds to your Steam wallet. Select Redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code and enter the code you received. After redeeming the Steam gift card code, the funds will be added to your Steam wallet. You can then use these funds to purchase any game or in-game item available on Steam. Make sure to check the prices of the games you want to buy and ensure you have sufficient funds in your Steam wallet. It is essential to note that using Apple gift cards to buy Steam games may not always be the most straightforward process, and you should be cautious when purchasing digital gift cards from third-party websites. Always ensure you are buying from a reputable source to avoid any potential issues. By following these steps, you can successfully buy Steam games with an Apple gift card and enjoy your favorite games on the Steam platform. Remember to always keep track of your Steam wallet balance and Apple gift card balance to avoid any confusion or unexpected charges.